17th of September 2025 and decided to take the boat back today by myself. It's Wednesday. Nice weather today. We were planning on taking the boat back to Green Bay over the weekend, but weather is not looking real promising, so I'm going to do it today, and I'll be doing it by myself. So long, little sturgeon. On the way back to Green Bay. Sad to see it come to an end, but it's that time of year again. Summer sure went fast, as it always seems to. Got winds at about 10 to 12 knots, right on the nose. So it's going to be a long motor this afternoon. Not a lot of waves yet, so that tells me the wind has just started to pick up. Got a few white caps on the horizon here, but otherwise it's not all that rough yet. Motoring down the bay once again. Beautiful day. Temperatures are, I believe, in the low 70s. A little chillier out here on the waves, or on the water, on the wind. But all in all, not a bad day for mid-September. Despite the somewhat melancholy nature of this ride home back to Green Bay, It does portend the coming of the next season. As one season ends, another one begins. Now it's time to start thinking about the fall projects and getting the boat ready for winter storage. That's always a big project in and of itself, but one that is doable, and getting ready for winter storage means getting ready for the next season. So here we go again. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to give us a like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It all helps out. Thanks much. Yeah, it's about 12:30. The wind has dropped down quite a bit, and so have the waves. So our speed, without increasing our RPMs, our speed has gone up from about 5.5 to 6. So we're starting to make better time. Still probably looking at about 3 o'clock, 3:30 before we get to the dock at the boatyard on the river. So we got a ways to go yet. Always a sad day when we got to make this trip back to Green Bay. But it's not a bad trip today. Weather is cooperating, even though we've got wind on the nose. It's not bad. we're approaching the Green Bay Harbor. We went past the harbor entrance light, and the channel markers are out there. So we're a little bit to the east of the channel, still in about 25 feet of water, so we're fine. The angle light is just about straight ahead. So we'll be entering the channel here in a little bit, and then we'll follow the channel into the Fox River. Back at Green Bay at the boatyard. Now the work begins. Start taking everything apart again.